Hello, welcome to my channel again. I just want to show you a simple recipe, hair conditioner recipe. Before I show you that, God bless you for tuning in. The word of God in Proverbs 16:3, it says, "Commit everything you do to the Lord, and He will establish you." I pray that you'll be able to commit everything, your plans, your business plans, your family plans, your job, everything into the hands of God, and He will establish you. God bless you. So, without wasting your time, I'm just going to show you. I use one banana. That's it. I blend it. And the yogurt. Nice Greek style yogurt. Okay? And I'll put that's grapeseed oil. So I've already blended the banana, you can see it, and I'm gonna add depending on the length of your hair. Okay, if your hair is quite long, by all means you can put 2 banana and 2 yogurts. Remember, it's a plain yogurt. Okay, so you put the whole thing. And grapeseed oil, can put about 30 mils. This is a 60 ml cup, so I'm gonna put 30 mils. That's it, 30 mils. Banana is loaded with a lot of vitamins and it's good for your hair. You can see. Yummy. Remember, this is not a leave-in. This one, after you just put it on your hair, cover it with shower cap, and maybe for 1 hour. It's up to you if you want 30 minutes or 1 hour. And after that, you can see it. It's high in nutrition for your hair because it's got protein, it's got milk. So milk, the yogurt is milk based. So, and plus the banana that is full of vitamins, nutrients. So it's got potassium, it's got all the electrolytes you can think of. That is very good for your hair. The same thing with the yogurt and also the grapeseed oil. Very good for your hair. It keeps moisture in, so you can never go wrong with this one. It's yummy for your hair. Yeah, so if you're first time or coming to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment, and do try it and let me know if it's good for you or how you get on with it. Okay, all right, you can see it. Very good. Okay, definitely this will hydrate your hair and keep your hair moisturized. Okay, God bless you. Okay, take care. God bless you. Bye.